Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Donkey Delivery. This is part of an exclusive series that I have available for my Patreon members that I like to refer to as Paintings for Patreons. So you guys get to watch the fast, sped-up version of the video, and I have available for all of my Patreon members the full-length tutorial for this painting. So if you're interested in watching the full-length version of this exclusive video or many more that I have for the Patreons, and or learning more about the Patreon membership program where there's a ton of painting benefits that you get to benefit from, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself an adorable little donkey delivering some autumn goods. And I look forward to painting with you Patreons again sometime.